In this video, I am going to explain how to display the digits on the LCD screen and scroll these digits towards the right and towards the left with the help of Arduino board and LCD screen. LCD dot print the digits. LCD dot scroll towards right and towards left. These are the two important concepts I will explain in this video. First one, sketch is sketch slash include liquid crystal dot h liquid crystal. This is the library must included for LCD applications. Liquid crystal LCD numbers are Arduino board numbers are 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. With the help of this one, this some gap is there here, not a dot, some gap is there. With the help of this function, we have to make connections between Arduino board and the LCD screen. 13th pin of the Ardunio board is meant for RS pin of the LCD register select. These statements are not executed by the compiler. 12th pin is enable pin and the 11th pin is D4. All these are digital pins and 10 pin is D5 and 9th pin is D6 and the 8th pin is D7. D4, D5, D6, D7 are the data pins of the LCD. How to assign these pins to digital pins of the Arduino board are 11, 10, 9, 8. 13th pin of the Arduino board is assigned to RS register select pin of the LCD. 12th pin of that Arduino board, 12th pin is the digital pin of the Arduino board is assigned to enable pin of that LCD. Enable pin of that LCD. Next, coming to this is the liquid crystal dot LCD. Make a connections between that Arduino board and the LCD. Next, wide setup. Next one is a wide setup. LCD begin. LCD dot begin. 16 columns and 2 rows are the dimensions of that LCD. Serial begin. (9,600). Speed of the operation between that device, Arduino board and the computer is 9,600. That is the baud rate. The screen is clear. LCD clear. Delay, some delay 200 milliseconds and 0.2 seconds. LCD begins means this LCD board has these are the 16 columns 2 rows, 16 columns to 0 to 15 columns and 2 rows. LCD that clear. LCD screen is clear. This one is clear screen. After some delay, 2000 milliseconds, you have to write some program. That program are functions which are used to display the digits. Go to void loop. This one is void loop. Set the cursor, LCD cursor, LCD set cursor. C is capital 0, 0. That means 0 column and 0 row. Delay 200 milliseconds. After that, now we have to display 9 and some numbers, digits on the LCD screen. In order to achieve this one by using some for loop, for integer I is equal to 0, I less than 9, I less than 9, and I plus plus. Here I plus plus is here I plus plus, curly bracket open, LCD dot print I. These are the digits. That is the reason we use print I. Some delay 400 milliseconds. For statement, this one is closed. Initially, LCD set cursor is 0, 0 means this one setting position. After delay 200 milliseconds means 0.2 seconds. Start to display these numbers from 0 to 8. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Because here 9, ninth number, 8th is less than 9. Initially 0, 0 is less than 9 and increment that number from 0 to 1. 1 is less than 9, increment 1 to 2, 2 less than 9, increment 2 to 3, 3 less than 9, and so on up to 8. Print these numbers on the LCD screen. And first row and first use first row only because initially the LCD cursor is at 0 column and 0th row. These numbers are displayed. We will see in the simulation this display these numbers from 0 to 8. Next, coming to left, right, scroll these digits towards the right and scroll these digits towards the left. I have to write another for loop. Integer I is equal to 0, I less than 25. Why here we use 25? I will explain clearly. Here 2 slashes are there. Digits are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These are the total 9 digits. Plus dimensions of that screen is 16 columns and 2 rows means 16 columns. And that means 16 is rectangular areas are there. 16 rectangular areas in each row. And second row also 16 rectangular areas are there. So that is the reason 16 digits. 16 plus 5, that means 25. Therefore, I value is counting from 0 to 24 only. That means 25 numbers. Next, LCD dot scroll display right RIGHT, display write, delay 250. The display write means here already 0 to 1 to 0 to 8 numbers are displayed. 5, 6, 7, 8. These numbers are scrolled towards the right up to 16, 0 to 15. 16 rectangular areas are covered. 9 rectangular areas are covered by these numbers. The remaining are 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 7. This 7 to 7 means scroll up to 7 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These are the numbers are covered, but 1 and 0 and 1 are not scrolled towards the right. That is the reason we have to create some space. That is the reason. 16, consider 16 rectangular areas, and total length of that initially displayed these numbers on the screen is 9. 9 plus 6 is equal to 25. Therefore, this total 9 numbers are scrolled towards the right. Next step is after that scrolling. Now we have to scroll from right to left. Beginning number is 0 from right, and the 25th number is to on the left side. Now we will see here integer I is equal to 0. Again, I less than 25. 0 means from the right side beginning. I plus plus I plus plus LCD dot scroll display left delay 250 and 2 more brackets 250 milliseconds. These 9 numbers are again come back to move in this direction, moving left side direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and come back to initial position. And come back to initial position. These are the some important statement. Initially in this sketch, display the numbers from 0 to 8. Total numbers are 9. Next step is scroll these numbers towards the right, and scroll these numbers towards the left. This with the help of that sketch. Already I have explained that sketch. These are the pins. This one is the this is the contrast pin. Terminal 1 wiper pin, and terminal 2 wiper pin of that contrast pin of the LCD. Terminal 1 is connected to VCC 5 volts. Terminal 2 is connected to ground. With the help of Ardunio board, ground and 5 volts, we have to make connections on this breadboard like that. And pins 11, 12, 10, 11, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. These are the pins, digital pins of the Ardunio board used to make made connection with the LCD screen. 11th pin is connected to RS, register result, and enable pin is connected to enable pin of the LCD screen is connected to 12, and 11, 9, 8, 11, 10, 9, 8 pins of that Ardunio board is connected to D4, D5, D6, D7 data pins of the LCD. And one more 2 pins this one ground is connected here and VCC is connected here, and read write pin of that LCD is connected to ground. And here LCD cathode is connected to ground. This one is LCD anode is connected to 5 volts through 220 ohms resistance. These are the some important next one. How to simulate this action by using this one, by using this code. Already I have explained that code. Liquid crystal LCD function is used. This is the liquid. This function is used to create this function is used to create a connections between the LCD. There is some initial connections. Speed already explained. These are the functions which are used to display the numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and these are these numbers are scrolled towards right here. These numbers are scrolled towards right by using this one. These numbers are scrolled towards left. These numbers are scrolled towards left. Already explained clearly in this session, previous session. Now here we simulate the code. Start simulation. First numbers are displayed. Okay, and scroll these numbers towards the right. Scroll these numbers towards the right. And scroll these numbers towards the left. And come back to original position. Again, this action is repeated towards the right. These numbers are scrolled towards the right. These numbers are scrolled towards the left and come back to original position. Here, now after instead of here some here some numbers, instead of 25, here we use some 9. Here also 9. We will see what happens. Start simulation. We will see what happened. Code. Display these numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And come back to original question. To one bit only only one digit is scrolled towards the right. 7, 8. That is the reason here we use instead of 9, 25. Here also 25. Start simulation. First, display the numbers 0 to 8 and scroll these numbers towards the left, towards the right, and scroll these numbers towards the left. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Display the numbers and scroll these numbers. All the numbers are scrolled towards the right, and all these numbers are scrolled towards the left. With this demonstration of this sketch LCD scroll, that means print the numbers, scroll these numbers towards the right and towards the left. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel. Thank you.